Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Zip. This is your first time here. My name is Shane. This is our third video in our HTML building blocks playlist. These playlists that are called building blocks are 5-minute videos going over particular elements in detail. So check them out. There's also another series that shows you how to put those building blocks together. That's our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript series. Go check out that playlist too. So today we are going to cover the heading tag, or rather we're going to cover certain elements that can be used in the heading tag. So if you're ready, let's get to it. Okay, so let's go to our desktop. We have the cz-html folder we created in our last lesson, and we didn't actually even change that. So we're going to use that for our lesson number 2. Or actually, we're going to copy it. I'm going to copy that folder. I'm going to click on it on my desktop, and I'm going to press Control-C, Control-V, make a copy, and I'm going to rename it to cz-html, and I'm going to change it to 2 for lesson 2. There we go. And I'm going to create a new folder. So I'm going to right click, choose new, choose folder. I'm going to right click on it, choose rename, and call it cz-html-lessons. All right. I'm going to highlight cz-html2 folder. I'm going to highlight the cz-html folder, and I'm going to click on each one of those. You can do that by pressing the control button, clicking on each one of them, and I'm going to right click, choose copy. You can also do Control-C. I'm going to go into the cz-html lessons, and I'm going to Control-V to paste it inside of there. So just kind of getting this set up to where we can put all of our lessons into this folder here. So all our HTML building block lessons will be inside this one folder. All right, so let's go into, we're starting lesson 2. Let's go into the lesson 2 folder. And let's right click and choose edit with Notepad++ or open Notepad if you're using it. There we go. Okay. All right. So we're going to learn probably 2 different tags today. The first one we're going to learn is outside of the head, and we're going to put it at the top. It's called DOCTYPE. So go to the top of your page there and put your cursor after the first HTML tag. Press enter. And put your cursor on the first line and type in DOCTYPE. So less than, exclamation point, and uppercase DOCTYPE space, and now lowercase HTML, and then a greater than sign. And there you go. So now you have this tag. It's not truly an HTML tag, but it is a tag that tells the browser what type of document this document is. It tells it it's an HTML document. Not only does that, but it tells it actually is HTML5. So it's this syntax, this wording, the browser knows it's HTML5. If it was HTML4 or version 3, it would be worded a little bit differently. There'd be other attributes on this element. Quick and easy, simple. That's all you need to know about the DOCTYPE. It's basically a way of defining what this document is as far as what version of HTML. Okay, let's go to your head section. And we've already gone over the link tag some. You'll learn more about that as we get into CSS and stuff. Let's add title. So I'm going to put my cursor at the end of the link line. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to type in less than and title. And HTML elements should always be lowercase. And then put a greater than sign. And what is this? What is this document? So I'm going to say it's Shane's document. So SHANE apostrophe S, Shane's first web page. First FIRST PAGE, then a less than sign. So this is my ending tag, / TITLE, and a greater than sign. So the user won't actually see this information. This is for telling the browser what your title of your page is. Now, why would you want to tell the browser? Well, let's see. So go up and click Save. I'm going to go back to my folder. I'm going to right click and choose open with Google Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer or Firefox. I'd recommend Google Chrome. And if I open the page, you'll see a blank white page. There we go. So in this page, it doesn't, the user can't really see anything on the page. But if you look up at the tab, you'll see at the very top of the tab, it says Shane's first page. So the browser actually knows, you actually told the browser what the page is, and it put it in the tab title. Okay. Now, if you were to right click or if you were to click on this little button over here to add to favorites, bookmark, I think it is in Google Chrome, bookmark this page. If I do that, it's going to bookmark it with the name Shane's first page. So it also uses the title for bookmarks. So you can give your different pages different names for bookmarks. So that's what the title is all about. It's very simple. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So thanks for joining today. That's our main element we're going to cover today. There's going to be more coming in the upcoming videos. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and slam that subscribe button. Click on the bell for alerts. If you would like to give some comments, we'd love to hear how we can make these videos more productive, easier for you to understand. So thanks for joining us. See you next time.